Welcome back, students. Now, from 1772, a new system of justice was established. So, he changed some laws in India in the year 1772. What he did, each district was to have two courts. Now, each district would have two courts. One is criminal court, which was known as Faujdari Adalat, and one is civil court, which was known as Diwani Adalat. Now, what do you mean by criminal court and civil court? In criminal court, the cases like theft or any killing or murder, the criminal cases are dealt in Faujdari Adalat, in criminal court, and other matters were handled by civil court. And Maulvis and Hindu Pandits interpreted Indian laws for the European district collector who presided over civil courts. Now, what Maulvis and Hindu Pandits they did, they interpret Indian laws because Warren Hastings, he wanted to make laws according to Indian culture also, so that because Indian people they were coming here in criminal courts and civil courts. So that's why they made the law according to India. So some Indian laws were changed by European, and these Maulvis and Hindu Pandits, they interpreted Indian laws for Europeans so that they can understand their laws and their culture easily. For district collectors who presided over civil court. Civil court was presided by district collector. District collector was the head of civil court. He is also known as the criminal courts were still under Qazi and a Mufti. And criminal court, civil court was under district collector, and criminal courts were under Qazi and Mufti, but under the supervision of collector. Qazi and Mufti, they were working in criminal courts, but under the supervision of collector. Now, what is Qazi? Qazi is a judge, okay, and Mufti, a jurist of the Muslim community, responsible for expounding the law that the Qazi would administer. So, Mufti is a jurist only who make the laws and make sure that the law which is made by Mufti, Qazi would administer those laws. Qazi need to work according to those laws which was made by Muftis. But they work under the supervision of collectors. Now, what does it mean, impeachment? Impeachment means a trial by the House of Lords in England for charges of misconduct brought against a person in House of Commons. Impeachment means a trial to remove the particular personality from political position. Like in India, president cannot be removed. Once he is elected as a president, he could not be removed from his seat. So if we want to remove the president of India, so we need to get an impeachment. We need to do any impeachment. So here you can see Warren Hastings, the trial of Warren Hastings. He was the only Governor General who went back to England, and impeachment proceedings were held for removing him from his seat, from his post. So when Warren Hastings went back to England in 1785, Edmund Burke accused him of being personally responsible for the misgovernment of Bengal. He was accused by Edmund Burke that he did not carry over the work of government in Bengal responsibly. So that is why impeachment proceedings took place against Warren Hastings by British Parliament, and that lasted 7 years. Those trials were lasted till 7 years.